Hello everyone, this is Dr. Anuja Lele, founder of Sahaj Healthcare. Today we are going to discuss about migraine. Migraine is a headache of varying intensity, usually accompanied by nausea, vomiting and sensitivity to light or sound. There may be a pulsating or throbbing sensation on one or both sides of the head. This pain usually is so severe that it affects your daily activities. Now let's see the causes of migraine. We do not know as of now the exact cause of migraine, but what is accepted is that overactive nerve cells stimulate the nerves which give sensation to the head and face. This causes the body to release certain chemicals which give rise to inflammation and this pain. However, there are certain risk factors of migraine. These include women tend to have 3 times more migraine attacks as compared to males. Family history, certain conditions like anxiety, depression, epilepsy, sleep disorders, etc. There are certain things which trigger this migraine. Triggers include stress, foods like cheese, alcohol, caffeine, skipping meals, changes in weather or sleep pattern, loud noise, bright light, strong smell, etc. Now let's see the symptoms of migraine. Migraine usually progresses through 4 stages: prodrome, aura, attack and postdrome. Prodrome is usually 1 or 2 days before the migraine attack. You may notice subtle changes which warn you of an upcoming migraine attack. These include mood swings, food cravings, constipation, increased thirst or urination, neck stiffness, etc. Now, aura. Aura may be before or during migraine. This gradually develops over several minutes. It includes visual phenomena like seeing shapes, bright spots, or flashes of lights, numbness, pricking or needle-like sensation over arms and legs, difficulty in talking, numbness on the face, hearing certain noises. Now the attack phase. This is during the pain. This is the actual stage of pain. It usually lasts from 4 to 72 hours if untreated. These include pain on one or both sides of the head, accompanied by nausea and vomiting, and sensitivity to light, sound, or sometimes even smell. Prodrome is after the migraine attack. The person feels very dizzy, confused. There is difficulty to remember the events of the day. You really feel washed up for that day. If you are regularly suffering from migraine, make sure to keep a record of the triggers, the attack, and how you treated your migraine. Discuss this with your doctor, which would ease to know the line of treatment for you. See a doctor immediately if your headache is after a head injury and it is worsening. Sudden headache after exertion or coughing. Headache accompanied by fever, neck stiffness, seizures, mental confusion, etc. Sometimes a new headache comes after 50. Now the treatment. Treatment includes painkillers. Popping a painkiller may temporarily give you relief to the migraine pain, but it does not help you to know the root cause of this pain. This is where approaches like homeopathy come to help. At Sahaj Healthcare, we approach migraine in evaluating and understanding the factors which may be physical or emotional, which tend to make the headache better or worse, so that there is a complete and long lasting relief. What I have found or observed with our treatment is fewer headaches of lesser intensity and shorter duration, that too in a safe and natural way. Thank you. Sahaj Healthcare by Dr. Anuja Lele, India's leading homeopathy and healthcare clinic. For online consultation and appointment, contact us on these numbers. These numbers are also there in the description box. For more details, please visit our website sahajhealthcare.com. Thanks for watching. Click here to subscribe. Press the bell icon and never miss any update.